Okay, so the red bucket here, we don't need the blocks. We're gonna leave them in there. They are just being used as a monopod, which is gonna help us keep our iPad up at a good angle. Should be the back of the table so everyone can see it and can be seen by the camera. Then we're gonna go to iMovie, which is the purple and white star there. It might open up in somebody else's program. If it does, we're just gonna go to the top left corner where it says done. And then we're gonna go back to projects. Now I've got a chance for a plus sign, which means add something new. Now I want to make a movie. And then it's gonna ask, what do you want to put in the movie? I don't wanna put these old clips in there because I wanna create a new one. So at the bottom where it says create movie, I've chosen 0, and that's good. So now I'm gonna go to camera, and it's now taking a video of the blocks. So I'm gonna turn the selfie button around. Hi, okay. So now I'm gonna model for you what I want you to do today. We're gonna tell 2 things. 1, what is your name? And 2, what do you want to be when you grow up? So when I'm ready, I'm gonna press the button. Hi, my name is Mr. Farrell and I love technology. So when I grow up, I want to be a STEM teacher. Very short, quick to the point. Now I'm gonna say use video, and it's gonna put me in iMovie. Look at that. Now I can go back and forth, and I'm not done. Now it's time for my teammate to have a turn. So back to camera. And we're gonna selfie. I'm gonna say, hi, my name is Rico, and I like to dance. That's very inspiring for me. Then we're gonna say use video. Okay, now I've got 2 clips, and let's pretend I have a third person. Back to camera, and whoops, wrong way. Haha, let's do a retake, and let's turn it this way. There we go. And hi, my name is Trey. I love French. Oh, magnifique, the language, it inspires me. I'm gonna say use video. All right, so now I've got, boom, 1, 2, 3 clips, 3 different people. And now I'm gonna change each one just a little bit. I need to tell iMovie what I wanna change. So clip number 1, boom. I'm gonna change the speed. I'm gonna slow it down, and press play. Okay, you can decide if you're person number 1 what you want to do with number 1. Person number 2, now it's the middle clip, and this one I'm going to add, let's see, some words. And I'm going to say, let's see. Now this is the weird part. If you add words to it, they don't show up. You have to drag it kind of back and forth until, there they are. There they are. And then you tap it.
And X out, I'm going to say INSPIRTION, inspiration.
All right, and let's press play. So let's back it up. Okay, a little too slow. Hi, my name. Oh my gosh, that was so fast. I think I missed a clip on that one. All right, and then number 3. Again, you have to touch the clip first. Now I've got some choices. I'm going to change the color. Woo, look at that cool color. All right, let's go back. I think that's too slow, so I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. There we go.
Funny because I'm number 3. I love French. Oh, magnifique, the language, it inspires me.
Hi, my name is Rico, and I like... Okay, there you go. So now it's your turn. With your team, each teammate needs to make their own clip, and then you can, with your clip, change the speed or the volume or add some words or change the color. Good luck. Okay, on to part 2. Now that you've learned and practiced how to add things to it, we're gonna do a 4th clip. I've already got 1, 2, 3 here. I'm gonna go to audio, which is a little music button over here. And I'm gonna go to, there's theme music, there's sound effects. If you at home have a device, you could put your own music in there, but this one doesn't have it. So I'm gonna go up to sound effects. And it takes a couple seconds. There we go. And oh my gosh, look at all these different cool sound effects. And to sample it, you just tap on it. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. It's not really French, but I still kind of like it. Now, the cool thing about this is
Hi, my name is Trey, which
they're clapping way too soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch and hold this down, and I'm just going to drag it over to the side. Ooh, it's too long. I'm going to shorten it. There we go. See if that works. Oh, what happened there? That's weird. I don't know what happened there. Okay.
love French. Oh, magnifique.
All right, that's confusing. I don't like that. So I'm going to tap on that clip. I'm going to go to scissors. Now I can delete it. Let's try a different one. Ooh, bell tower. That reminds me of France. Beauty and the Beast. Her name is Belle. Okay, so let's see how this goes.
Which is funny because I'm number 3. I love French. Oh, magnifique.
Okay, a little bit too much there, but I want to end this clip before the next person comes along. So I'm going to tap on the clip, and now I'm going to go to split, which is just above the scissors there, and bloop. What that does is it cut my sound into 2 pieces. Now this piece, which is too long, I'm going to delete. So now it's going to stop the bell before the next one comes along. A little bit too loud, so I'm going to turn that bell down. So tap on this clip, volume goes down. There's a bell, speaking of bells.
Magnifique language it inspires me.
Okay, now it's your turn. Add another sound. How do you do sound? Music is chosen. Pick a sample. And if you like it, press use. Go for it.